Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Lecture 4 of Mechanical Engineering Materials series. In last lecture, we have studied about microstructure, microscopes, and the types of microscope. In that, we have seen two major types of microscope, that was optical microscope and electron microscope. In this lecture, we will study about sample preparation, etching process, and types of etchants. Sample preparation. In last lecture, we have studied about the microstructure and microscope. How we can observe the microstructure under the microscope. In this, we have studied about sample preparation. So, what is sample preparation? Sample preparation basically means preparing the sample or preparing the specimen or workpiece before observing under the microscope. In order to relieve microstructure of metal under microscope, a number of samples from different locations are to be cut from the material for proper analyzing of the material under the microscope. These samples are to be prepared properly before microscopic examination. So it is observed that there are generally number of steps to prepare the sample before examine it. So, continuing with our steps, first step of sample preparation is sectioning. As you see in the figure, it is the cutting of material with the help of circular cutter. So, sectioning generally means cutting of a small volume, cutting of a small volume of specimen of a required size from a large volume without any damage to the microscope. After cutting the specimen into the small volume, sample must be first cleaned. After cutting the small volume of the sample, it should be first cleaned in order to get accurate measure. Now, our second step is mounting. As you see in the figure, this sample is mounted under a cylindrical shaped container. It is nothing but a holding specimen in a small block of material using plastic to ensure further operation running smoothly, that is grinding, polishing, finishing, etc. Each of sample is mounted by placing it in a mold which is in cylindrical shape and filling the mold with suitable material that specimen can hold it firmly for the further operation. The purpose of mounting is to minimize the damage. The purpose of mounting is to minimize the damage caused to the specimen during the operations. Our third step is grinding. Now, after mounting the specimen, our third step is grinding. Grinding operation is done to remove the scratches left on the specimen. It is one of the most important operation in sample preparation. This is done in three stages. First is rough grinding. Second is medium grinding. And third is fine grinding. Now, rough grinding is done to remove the cutting tool mark. To remove the cutting tool's mark left on this specimen, the rough grinding is done. Then, medium grinding is used to obtain uniform ground finish. And lastly, the fine grinding is used to obtain the smooth surface finish. So, we have till now we have seen that sectioning, cutting the workpiece into the small volume of section, cleaning it, and then mounting into the plastic cylindrical container to minimize the damage, and then grinding the specimen to remove the cutting tool mark to obtain uniform ground surface finish and to obtain smooth surface finish. Now, our next step, that is fourth step, is polishing the specimen. The purpose of polishing is to remove the damage produced during the cutting and grinding and to get scratch free surface, that is mirror like finish. During polishing, we should be noted that the specimen should be rotated or moved around the wheel so as to give an even polish. Polishing is done as rough polishing and fine polishing. Rough polishing is done by diamond abrasive from 9 to 1 micron, and fine polishing is done at the slower speed to 100 to 150 rpm. After the fine polishing, no scratches should be visible on the surface, and the surface gives shiny and mirror like appearance. Now, our last step is etching. Etching is a process done on the polished surface. Before etching, we have to compulsory polish and grind the specimen. After polishing, we further continue to the etching. The polished surface is subjected to action of suitable chemical agent, that is etchant, we will call as, under control condition. There are number of etchants we will see in further. In etching process, etchant is taken in glass container. This liquid is known as etchant. So it is taken in glass container, and this specimen is dipped into the etchant by the means of tongs. This instrument is known as tongs. During etching, original bright surface become dulls. So here we see this is the white or the transparent surface we see, and in this image we see the black surface or the dull surface. This is the purpose of etching. As soon as surface become dull, etching must be stopped and the specimen should be removed from the etchant and washed with the tap water. It is then raised in the methyl alcohol or the other chemical solutions to remove water and drain using the warm air. As soon as the etchant color is dull, it will be removed from this etchant and it will be washed off carefully. Now, this specimen is ready to observe under the microscope. For etching, we have number of etchants in our syllabus. Let's see the types of etchants now. So, as you see in the table, these are the types of etchants. Nitric acid. It is a composition of nitric acid of 1 to 5 ml, ethyl or methyl alcohol 100 ml, and it is suitable for low or medium carbon steel. Second is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid composition of 50 ml and water of 100 ml. The mixture of these two forms hydrochloric acid, and it is suitable for stainless steel. Again, hydrochloric acid, but now the mixture is little different. 15 to 20 ml of hydrochloric acid and 100 ml of water gives the hydrochloric acid which is suitable for copper and brass. Mixed acid, that is nitric acid 5 ml and water 95 ml, suitable for lead tin alloy. Again, mixed acid, hydrochloric acid of 50 ml and water of 50 ml, suitable for zinc and its alloy. So these are the types of etchants in our syllabus we have. So in today's lecture, overall we have seen sample preparation. In that we have seen 5 steps that are sectioning, mounting, sectioning, mounting, grinding, polishing and etching. So these are the 5 steps of the sample preparation. Also we have seen the types of etchants we used for the metallurgical instruments. That's all for today. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel.